Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to use the task queues feature for within HubSpot. Now, if you've been using HubSpot for a reasonable amount of time, you're probably no stranger to HubSpot tasks. HubSpot tasks can be accessed by heading over to sales and then from within here you'll see an overview of all the tasks that are assigned to you or another team member within the actual HubSpot portal. In this example I'm going to use myself and I'm going to show you 1, how tasks work, and 2, how task queues work. So to get started, how tasks work is centrally this screen will prioritize all your tasks, typically by due date, but you can also sort and manage it by different task types, associated contacts, titles, all the tabs that you know you can filter in from throughout HubSpot itself. In order to create a task, you just simply want to head over here where it says the actual create task button, and you can actually specify the name for the task, such as send pricing guide to Jack. From there, what you can do is just select the type of task it is, whether it's a call or an email, which will allow you to categorize the amount of tasks and basically what types of tasks you're undertaking on any given day. And HubSpot right now has a feature to add a high priority if you want it to stand up above other tasks. From there, you can actually associate it with contacts. So if we just search for a contact, such as myself, you can actually associate the contact with the task so that the task will store on the actual contact record for who that needs to be done for. You can then assign it to anybody within your portal, and you can also select a queue. What you can also do is set a due date, whether that's in today, tomorrow, 1 week, 1 month, 6 months, custom dates, etc. What this is valuable for is, for example, if you are an SDR and you have done a proposal and you want to check in, you may want to check in a week later. Likewise, if you have done some prospecting and they have said that they're not in their actual buying cycle right now, but they will be in 6 months, that is a prime opportunity to create a HubSpot task. You can also set a due time, and as well as an automated task reminder to make sure that it gets done. You can then also add notes such as images, links, documents, snippets, and also format it to your heart's content. If you press create, what you'll see is it will add it to your tasks, and it will also be sorted by the due date. So I can sort that once more and once more again. So it goes from soonest to latest. What I can see from here is as you grow within HubSpot, your tasks will inevitably grow as well. So you'll probably want to tackle certain types of tasks in one specific headspace. So as you can see from the list of contacts and tasks that I've got available, you can see that I've got actually 3 pricing guide tasks. Typically, there's probably a process that I need to follow for these kind of tasks, so I'll probably want to tackle them all in one go. This is a prime opportunity to use something called a task queue. A queue is a filtered down version of your task list for certain types of tasks or contacts or due dates, however you see fit. So as you can see, we've got standard filtered by today, if they're overdue, upcoming, most engaged and completed. What we may want to do is add a queue and name it pricing guides. Then what you can do is select team members in your HubSpot portal to share this queue with, meaning not only you have access to this area of the tasks area, but also other people within your portal will as well. So I can simply select that and then I can press save. What you'll now say is I've created a shared task queue called pricing guide. From here, what I can do is I can look through my list and go, okay, I've got 3 pricing guides. So I'm going to select those. I'm then going to press change queue, and I'm going to select pricing guides. Now what I can do is I can head over to my pricing guides and store all the pricing tasks all in one go. So from here, I can press start free task, which as long as the tasks have been associated with all the different contact records. So for example, let's select one here, add the association. It will now take you to the direct contact record that actual task sits on. What you can do here is see all the information. For example, send the pricing guide. So I can just log an email, send that email off to, and then what I can do is once it's complete and press next. And it will now jump to the next contact with a task assigned to it. So rather than having to manually jump between contact records, this will one by one take you and throughout the different areas of HubSpot all in one singular click, meaning you don't lose momentum on a category of tasks that you're undertaking with any given time, allowing you to basically maximize the time you're spending on tasks rather than actual manual admin. Again, same story here, send the pricing guide. So I may want to log an email or do a call. Once I've done that and it's stored on the contact record, I can press complete, press next. And as you can see, the next task has no contact assigned to it. So I'm just going to assign one really quickly. add the association. And as you can see, it's taken me to the next contact record. I'm going to log an email, send the pricing guide. Once that is then done, I can then press complete, mark as complete. And as you can see, I've just worked through all the pricing guide tasks and now it's marked them all off as complete. So if I head back to my all tasks, you can see here that these ones have been done and I've got 2 that are outstanding. Now I may want to create a task queue for general admin or a spec, etc. The opportunity and kind of the areas are endless. It's fully customizable and fully bespoke to whatever you need a queue for. So hopefully that makes sense and this video was useful, and let us know how you get on.